What's up guys? Good morning. And right now, we're going to Wadi Hanifa. Woo! Hello. Hi. أهلا 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 وسهلا. إيش اسم أنت؟
دياب.
دياب. السلام عليكم دياب.
وعليكم السلام.
أيوة.
كيف الحال؟
كويس بن؟
فيلبينو.
أيوة فيلبينو. مية مية. إيش اسم أنت؟
عبد الرحمن.
عبد الرحمن. أيوة أهلا وسهلا. الحين موجود هنا عبد الرحمن.
عبد الرحمن.
Yeah. So guys, we're still here sa Wadi Hanifa. So I'll give some trivia lang guys. Pag sinabing Wadi, what does it mean in Arabic? So Wadi is an Arabic term na ang ibig sabihin ay valley na dinadaluyan ng tubig. Just like that. Just like that. So isa pang trivia, ang Wadi Hanifa, haba niyan ay umaabot sa 120 kilometers from northwest to southeast. Grabe. Ganyan siya kahaba. Yung ano na yan, yung ilog na yan. So, let's continue to stroll here and let's enjoy this view.
We are in a journey, a voyage with different starting point. But in the end, we will all meet in one place to picture out the summary of our lives and to evaluate ourselves on how we live it. Our life is the sum of all the choices that we made from the past. Whether good or bad it is, there's always be a reason for everything and a lesson to learn in every story. So I encourage you guys to step out of your comfort zone. Live your life to the fullest. Appreciate all the things that you have. Be thankful for everything. And leave a remarkable legacy to the people you live with. Billy Graham once said that the greatest legacy one can pass on to one's children and grandchildren is not money or other material things accumulated in one's life, but rather a legacy of character and faith.